Three websites that will pay you to search Google. The first one that we will be looking at is cashkick.com. Once you have typed that in, you can see here you'll be getting cash to surf the web, also to watch videos, find great deals, and answer surveys. And you can simply enter your email address and you can see you'll be getting paid directly PayPal. And if we should scroll down, you can see it's very easy, as simple as 1, 2, 3. You simply find and complete your mission, whether that's answering questions via survey or by browsing the internet. And you can see you'll watch your earnings grow. And they have numerous testimonials to show that they are very legit, as you can see right here. And their sign up process is very straightforward. You simply enter your email and create a password and you will start getting paid. The other website that I like to show you, it's called instagc.com. By the way, if you like these type of videos and would like to know more about how to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button as I release daily videos. On InstaGC, you'll be getting digital gift cards to search the internet. And it's very straightforward how to sign up. You'll simply enter a username, create a password, and enter your email address. And as you can see here, you'll be getting paid to search the web. You can also do shopping online and earn. You can also watch videos or complete surveys. And this website is one of the most legit ones when it comes to earning gift cards or money online, as they have been around for a good while now. And last but definitely not least is askwonder.com. While this one takes a bit more to earn cash, you will definitely be getting a lot more money, and it's actually not that hard when you get the hang of it. And as you can see here, they have worked with a lot of big brands. They have worked with Bloomberg Beta. They have worked with City Ventures. They have worked with numerous big brands. Now, how would you earn money with askwonder.com? You're going to tap on Become a Researcher. And you can see here, you will simply earn money by using your brain and work when you want and expand your resume and your mind. You will enter your first name, last name, your email address, and create a password. And this works worldwide. That's the beauty about it. And you will simply do basic research, which normally consists of browsing the internet, and you'll be able to earn cash. So this is one of the most legit and one of the websites that actually pay the most for persons to search Google. If you found this short video very informative and helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.